Hi ladies and gents, that is my gorgeous dog Poppy, and I am so happy. I think I'm one of the very few Australians to have one of these because they do not ship here, but lucky I've got a really fantastic American friend who is a unique treasure, Misty, who very kindly offered to receive it and ship it to me. The shipping is just as much as the subscription box. Oh, it's a little bit less. So this is about 21 US, which is about 35 Australian dollars, and it's I think it cost about 20 US to ship. Yeah, so it's about the same to ship, yeah. But it's still worth it. Still worth it. Now, I haven't opened this yet, so first time I'm opening it. Okay. Oh, this is exciting. Thank you, Misty. Oh, wow. Oh, my gosh. Okay. There's a little card in here I'm looking for that tells you. This is so exciting. Okay, I think this is a September box. I don't know if you're up to shipping another one for me, Misty. It's okay if you're not. Yeah, it's probably better for my bank account, but they've already gone ahead and charged me for the October box. Okay. So basically, I'm not going to bore you with reading each one out, unless you want me to, but everything's listed on here, and then you get them here, and it even tells you how much they cost. Okay, so upgrade to Boxycharm and receive over 250. Well, I would if I knew how much it would cost in postage. I think it's going to cost a lot to post it, otherwise I would, but it's just going to be too much. What's this? Dr. Brand. Maybe you American ladies have heard of these. I've never heard of any of these. Recovering sleeping mask. Dr. Brand. Let's see how much this costs. Dr. Brand sleeping mask. Oh my god. 52 American dollars. Sugar. That's like 80 Australian bucks for that. Wow. Apply mask to clean dry skin. Let me have a little smell of this. I can't, my nose is blocked, plus there's a sealer on it. I wouldn't be able to smell anything with my nose anyway, so this is so expensive. I don't think I'm going to open it. I think I'll just hoard it for a while. Oh, excuse me. So the next thing we got is, I got this as a free gift for joining up, and this is a Becca Hydro Mist Set and Refresh Powder. Look, I'm not really into makeup. I don't wear a lot, but I'm kind of intrigued by all these subscription boxes, and I figure what a better way to get to know makeup than this, yeah? It's good for people like me, I suppose, that don't really know much about makeup. Okay, so it's my shade. That looks like my shade, very light. Let's see, I'll put on that red part there. Well, well, you're not going to really tell, are you? Becca. So this is what you'd put after your foundation, I suppose. Let's see if that's listed on here. No, because that was like a free thing. Anyway. Yeah, okay. So that was for joining. Now, wow, okay. Moda Pro, Moda. I'm Greek, so I know that that is a Greek word which means fashion. Moda. Yes. Oh, wow. How much are these brushes? More than 5-piece brush kit. Oh, retails at $27.95 US. Ah. Wow. I don't even know what these all do. So it's got a nice rubber tip here. So this one says shade. So that's a shading one. This is an angle one, line. So maybe it does like eyeshadow. You know how people use eyeshadow as liner, so that's probably for that. This one says, oh, smudger. Okay, so that's a smudger. So I have to do the tutorial, watch tutorials on which one does what, because I'm not really sure which one does what. Detail, that's detail. And what's this one? Oh, it's good that they say what it is, crease. Okay, so you can know what they do by reading. Yeah. So this one would go on your crease line, obviously, and yeah. And they feel very soft. Gorgeous. And yeah, fantastic. Beautiful. Okay. Oh my gosh. I'll leave the best one for last. Okay. So the next one is Hank and Henry. Hank and Henry. Hank and Henry Blickety Black Eyeliner. Retails at $20 US. Hank and Henry. Maybe, I'm just wondering if anyone is interested in me doing, you know, like showing you how they look, like doing them on my face, like a little, you know. Wow. Awesome. That is awesome. Look at that tip. Jeez Louise. Jeez Louise. Awesome. Okay. And look, it's not smudging off. Fantastic. There's one more. This one is by $1 Billion Brows. Retails at $18. Micro Blade Effect Brow Pen. Okay. Yeah, so if any Aussie ladies want this, if you have American friends that are willing to ship it to you, that's the only way you can get this, baby. Good idea, isn't it? Okay. I've seen ladies apply this on their channels, and it's, see that tiny little, yeah, it's a feathering little, wow, awesome. That is gorgeous. I don't like the real penciled looking sharp. Yeah, I like the real natural, so this is good if you like natural. I remember a lady saying if you like it real penciled and real out there, then no good, but otherwise it's fine. Now, the best one is this one, the Tarte High Performance Natural Clay Play Face Shaping Palette. Oh, jeez. Okay. This is $45. Clay Play Face Shaping Palette by Tarte. Okay. Wow. Oh, look at the brochure. Even the brochure's like, oh my gosh. Get the Looks Clay Play Face Shaping Palette. And tells you here how to use it. Fantastic. This is so exciting for ladies like me that, you know, like I am so not into this, but it's exciting if you want to get into it. Oh my gosh. Look at this. And these are my shades, the natural. I don't like any bright colours. These, the browns, the natural. Oh my gosh. I used like saying this. I hope I'm, yeah, okay. Oh, I look horrible. I hope you can't see my face through that mirror. Anyway, it's a beautiful mirror. Oh my gosh. Look at those colours. Like, aren't these eyeshadows? I know these are eyeshadows. Highlighters. And I'm guessing contours. Is that right? And they've even got names. Terracotta, Desert, Timber, Instinct. Wow, Journey. So just looking at these, I would say that one I would probably use a bit, and that one, maybe that one. Oh my gosh, love it. Absolutely very happy with this. Boxycharm. Very impressed. If I keep getting beautiful things like this. Oh, and look at that. Oh my gosh. I'm just seeing what this says. Clay Play. Oh my gosh. Classic soft smoky eye and umber brown. Maybe on my next tutorial I might do this. Press dunes all over the lid. Smudge smoke onto the top of the bottom lash. Using desert to find the outer crease. Oh, okay, so it even tells you with the colours what to do. Simple sexy eye. Yes, simple sexy eye. Natural, that's what I'd like. And over here, diffused cat eye and bold brow. I'm trying to find the most plain looking one. Is it that one or that one? Yeah, this, yeah. Still simple, sexy, and so, oh, that's another language, silly me. Yeah. Okay, so I'll probably come back and do this simple one. So with the simple one, it's got Journey, Solist, Terracotta. Journey, oh, that's the one I picked naturally. Celeste and Terracotta. Oh, is that an eyeshadow? Okay, thought that was a contour. So why are they bigger then? Apply Journey into the crease, starting in the outer corner and up toward the inner corner. So that one, applying that. Then he says put Solist, which is that light one. Put Solist all over the lid to brighten and open up the eye. Okay. Using Terracotta, define the outer crease. With this, define the outer crease. Buff Terracotta, Desert or Timber to the hollowest points. What are hollowest points? of face to sculpt and define underneath cheekbones, down the sides of the nose, across the forehead and along the jawline. Terracotta, desert and timber. Oh, okay, I was right. So these are definition colours, but you can use them for eyeshadows as well. Okay. Apply stone to lower lash line for added definition. Stone. Which one's stone? Stone. Okay, so apply this one to the lower lash line for definition. Okay. Complete the look by applying terracotta into the brow, starting from the inner corner of the brow and working your way out. If I just wanted to do a real simple look, I would, because you know me, I'm all about simplicity, I would grab, what does this say? I would grab the shade brush and I would start with something like that, put it all over my eyelid, and then I'll get a darker colour, either that one or that one, and put it in my crease, and that's it. That's it. Yeah. Wow. Very impressive. Okay. Thanks for watching. Okay. Okay. Oh my gosh, this is so exciting. And I'm not throwing this box away. Thank God you posted it with the box, Misty. A unique treasure. Not only is she a wonderful friend, she's a very talented crafter. I'll put the links below to her YouTube channel and her store. She's got a new line of beautiful journals and file folders that she's selling. And I'll put the links below. And she told me that she took everything out of the box to see if it would be cheaper, and it was only $1 cheaper. And I'm like, oh, you're kidding me. So yeah, I'm glad you shipped it with the box. Yeah. Awesome. Thank you so much, Misty. This wouldn't be possible without you. I really, really appreciate you and your hubby doing this for me. I thank you so much. Thank you. Oh my God, you've made my day. I'm so happy. Okay. Okay. Yeah, and if any Aussie ladies have any beautiful American crafty friends that could do for them what Misty done for me, yeah, it's a fantastic idea. Okay. Yeah, so what you do is you go to Boxycharm, you sign up with your email address, and where it says address, you put your American's friend address in the address. It won't allow any other address other than American anyway. And then when your friend gets it, she ships it to you. And just remember, the shipping price is the same as this price, as the box, but it's still well worth it. You get over $120 US worth of makeup, I think it is. Could be a little bit more. And so all up you're paying $40 for everything US, so it's still worth it. Fantastic. Thanks for watching. Bye.